this video, something from Samsung. Samsung Galaxy S21, the smallest one. The small one is just for you, if you don't have a big hands. Small one is great. Smart tag, so GPS location, Galaxy Buds Live, and of course, Samsung Galaxy S21.
Let me see what's on the box. Okay, not much. 2 seals. All we need to do now is cut those seals. This is the sharpest knife in the world. Tonto Katana. Look how sharp this is. We have to be careful. Wow. Yes, my friend. What's inside? A SIM card pin. And what's in there? Probably some kind of paper. Yep, that's the quick start guide. Huge one. Plug it and file it. Okay. What else do we have in here? How do I lift it? Okay, there's a small lifter. Oh wow. Wow, beautiful. I like it. A lot of plastic. What's in here? That is the question.
Wait a second. I need to smell it. Smell expensive.
We need to check the accessories. Come on, open this. What's inside? That is most important. What do you know? A charger. Wow. What else do we have inside? And a small cable. That's cool.
Satisfaction. Satisfaction.
I have to correct myself. That was the double satisfaction.
Did you notice it's not dark like Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra? It's more like titanium gray.
So what do we have? Nothing on this side. Microphones, 2 of them. Double microphone. That's cool. Volume button. Power button. And on the bottom we have a speaker, USB Type-C microphone, and a SIM card tray, and of course those cameras. 12 megapixel 1.8 light wide angle, 64 megapixel 2.0 light, and another one 12 megapixel camera.
Now let me put it on the scale. First, Samsung Galaxy S21, which is 171 grams. Can you see it? I think you can see it. And then Ultra, which is 230. Much bigger phone. Much bigger phone. Look at it. It's humongous. So there it is. A small brother compared to the Ultra, which is humongous. There you can see. It's a huge difference between those phones. Let me show you the benchmark first. Multi-score. Okay, result compared to the Ultra. Where's the benchmark? History. Wow. What do you know? And the score for the internal memory is 916 read, 490 write. Very good. If you want to listen to music, please use this Dolby Atmos feature, which will tremendously change your hearing experience. It's just right sound. Very quick. I like it. First one. It's not that loud. Ultra is way louder. Check it out. Ultra is way louder. And of course, game. Okay, what's this? This is a PUBG game. Anyone? There's no one here? That's strange. Okay. Someone's shooting. Oh, wow. Whoa. Is this a weapon? Yes, I have a weapon. That's very nice. Fine. Whoop. There it is. Easy. Bye. I need your weapon. Give me everything. Another one. Where is it? This way. Ha! Another one. Where is it? It was the same guy. He was just crouching. Okay, I've got no ammo. Are you serious? What about this one? Dead by dawn. Man, I got tons of stuff. Tons. They bring me everything they got. And I took it all. Do we proceed? I think that's it. That's just I'm too good on this game.
Now it's in 4K. How can you hear me? How can you see me? It's a beautiful weather today. Very snowy. A lot of snow. Is it good? Is it better than the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra? Long name. Okay, first impression. I think this phone handle macro way better than the Ultra. Way better. I think it's a software thing, or is it? That is the question. But the telephoto is just not in the same league. It's completely different story. The Ultra has this beautiful telephoto, which you can spy with it and do all kinds of nasty stuff. Anyway, first impression, really good. Very small phone, very nice for the small hands. Kinda like it. Now let me show you a small sample at night. See, it's a very nice handle the footage at night, my friend. Look at it and respect it. I know there's a lot of artificial light in here. We are in a city, but still very little noise. Video noise, because the sound noise from those cars and just mental, like 100 decibel. It's very noisy there, close to the road. You understand? G2A, they are selling games, some kind of commercial. Anyway, it's a bit wobbly. I don't know, video stabilization is not like an Ultra, but still really good. Let me show you some photos. And there it is, couple of photos. It wasn't too bright outside, it was nearly dark. I can see, oh, it's very blue. This is front facing camera. Okay, some kind of pinkish reddish neon on the side of the store. Pretty nice. Night photos are just fantastic. Look at them. Very little noise. Those are night photos. I know, a lot of artificial light, but still pretty neat. Now this one is from the zoom. Why it's so zoom in? Yeah, from the zoom, also pretty good. First impression, well, it's a very neat, small smartphone. But the Ultra feels more premium. There you have it, folks.
Samsung Galaxy S21. First impression. Pretty nice. Small. I think the pixel density on this screen could be better. No comparison to the Ultra. Ultra is the way to go.